yes, I can check it out whatever. Mind you, million, the bottom of the bottom of the phone.
For Chelsea, I may try now. No, as when I reach FA Cup finals. Because for league, who notice the 20 team, Chelsea are the most useless team. Yes, if the team are the present from Chelsea are the worst team in English Premiership. Chelsea borrowed their past 5 matches, rate all 5. You are home whenever. I'm a man now. Bobo, the one I am going to video. What I'm video. No, because I'm not Chelsea. Chelsea are the most useless team in EPL at this point. I remember when I was talking about Chelsea that time, that they are twin brother with Man U. Chelsea fans came to my inbox, started insulting me that they are not twins. Today they are not twins. Man U has left them. Chelsea has been present from Chelsea is the most useless team in EPL. Losing 5 matches, rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very useless. But the good thing is, congratulations to Chelsea, the Blues.
Oh, my forever.
Forever,
I think close. I think it's close.
Forever.
It's not about you can walk final. Like 5 finals. But the past that many years, you can even.
Yeah,
Maybe you say excuse every man, you know. Excuse.